What's up, guys? Had a few people asking me what coding is available on their 535i's in the BIMMERCODE app. They're playing with the demo mode, and a lot of those stuff will disappear once you plug it into the car. It all depends what your car has on it. So I'm going to do a quick rundown on the BIMMERCODE app and what's available on the F10 535, at least a 2013, like my model right here. There's my son's C300. We just did his side markers. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in and do a quick rundown of all the coding options that are available. So let's go ahead and plug it in and get it going. Alright, so the first item listed, Advanced Crash Safety Module. In here we got Seatbelt Reminder, driver seat, passenger seat, what's that, seatbelt indicator, driver seat, passenger seat, rear seats. So really you don't want to mess with, I mean, you can change them if you want, but I'm not going to mess with any of that. Air conditioning, air conditioning on in auto mode, memory, air conditioning setting memory, and circulation memory. I'm not going to mess with any of that either. Just trying to give you an idea of what you're going to see when you plug it in. Car access system, shut off Xdrive system when driver door is open, auto start stop function off by default. I'm going to turn this on active because every time I start the car, I have to hit the auto start off button, and it gets annoying. So we're gonna go ahead and activate that. Auto start stop function memory. I think that's per driver profiles if you got them in the car. Convenient opening, I have that active. Convenient opening with remote control, I have that active. Opening delay rear windows, convenient opening delay sunroof, convenient closing with remote control, convenient closing with comfort access, convenient closing delay, convenient closing delay front windows, convenient closing delay sunroof, horn signal when locking, I need my glasses, horn signal when locking the car with engine running. And then I'm not going to activate that. Lock doors automatically, that's active. Unlock doors automatically, I don't have that active. But it does unlock automatically. If you've got the key fob in your pocket, as you put your hand on the doorknob, it unlocks. So before I get out of this, I'm going to code it because I did the start stop engine start coding. Everything's going to reset here. Coding successful. Okay. Now we're going to go back. Next one. Footwell module. Alright, angel eyes brightness, low beam. I have it at 8%. I mean, you can make the angel eyes higher if you like. Brake force display, activation speed, brake force display, flashing frequency, brake force display, activation brake force, daytime running light mode, daytime running light brightness, window lifter interruption when opening a door, one touch indicator cycles, I don't know what that is, high beam assistant automatic activation, fog lights off with high beam. This is a pretty cool one. If you don't want your fog lights to go out, if you want your fog lights on and your high beams on, you can go ahead and activate that one. Fold mirrors with convenient closing. I'm going to activate that. Mirror folding speed. Mirror unfolding speed. Automatic mirror tilt value. That's basically when you're backing up your passenger side mirror, how much you want it to tilt. Automatic mirror tilt, I already have that active. And all these low beam monitoring options for your headlamps, which I'm not going to mess with. So I'm going to go ahead and code the mirrors. Alright, so we go back. Head unit. This one takes a little while to load. Alright, so you got your acoustical confirmations, which are active. Warning chimes, ringtone, if you want to change your ringtone, if you got your phone connected. Maximum volume at startup for the radio. Checkbox daytime running lights. Your start animation. That's the first one I did. I have it set to Christmas right now, but I had it on the M1 when it's not Christmas time. Tire pressure controls active. Give you your tire pressure and your temperature of your tires. Rear view camera zoom. Display full text messages. Heads up display indicators. Sports displays, I have that active. I'll give you the horsepower and torque displays up on your screen. You can pick the colors as well. Video in motion, if you want to play movies, you can download them on a USB thumb drive and plug them into your USB port in the center console, and they will play up on the screen. I have that active. You got to activate all three of these here to make that work. And just warning chimes, camera warning, night vision warning. Not sure what they all do, but display the warning that is displayed when using the night vision camera. I'm not gonna mess with that. Oh, did I change anything? No. Next one, instrument cluster. So next, digital. This is an instrument cluster. Digital speed inboard computer. I don't have that active. Empty menu item, inboard computer, average values, low fuel warning, and all your heads-up displays if you have that. If you have the heads-up display option. Integrated chassis management. Active cruise control. Where are we at? JBB F2 PDC. I've never went in here, so let's see what we got going on. So we got PDC switch off threshold, PDC distance switch off threshold, active PDC when rolling backwards, rear view camera, speed switch off threshold, rear view camera, distance switch off threshold. That's on the JBBF E3 PDC. Roof function center. Alright, roof function center. Acoustical lock unlock confirmation. Confirmation sound volume. Sound frequency. Sound duration. Alarm sound. Junction box passenger. Alright, junction box passenger. You got your headlight washers. Number of washing operations for headlight cleaning, water injection. It's all your headlight washing system. Lighting, rain light sensor sensitivity, seat heating, got all your different temperatures there. Window cleaning, your wipers, your windshield wiper. So all those functions are under junction box passenger. We want the seat module driver. Seat module driver. Oh, this is the heating and cooling memory for the driver's seat. Seat module passenger. I'm sure it's the same thing as the driver. Seating column control unit.
You said seating and steering.
Steering column. Steering column control unit.
Say it again. Like when you get in.
Steering column control unit. Steering with paddles. Steering wheel heating. I have that active. We got the paddle shifters. We got a new steering wheel. We got paddle shifters. You can activate that there. I don't have paddle shifters. Tailgate function module. Close. This is all tailgate stuff. Close with remote control. Buttons on the driver door. What's that? And close with remote control without long press. What?
The button on the driver door to open it. I guess you can close it with that one if you activate that.
Top rear side view cameras. Let's see, activation speed threshold side view camera. Deactivation speed threshold side view camera. And transmission control unit. This is where you can set the sport shifting, sport automatic transmission. Activate that. So since Sport Plus isn't available in the 535i F10, this is the closest you can get to the Sport Plus package. Alright, so that about does it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. And please do share, like, and subscribe. See you next time.